Well, the goal I have every year is to run and finish the Portland Marathon. I've been a runner for a long time, and all of a sudden, Healthy Team, Healthy You popped up. We had a bunch of willing participants in our small department, and we came together and said, yeah, let's do this. And what Healthy Team, Healthy You has helped me do is to put more of a discipline into my training. I love my pedometer. I didn't have a pedometer before I joined, and the way it motivates me is I set this goal. I want to do 10,000 steps a day, and what it got me doing that I hadn't been doing regularly for a while was get out of my office for a walk at noontime. And so I've got this route that I follow, and it's about 4,000 steps, and it adds to what I've done in the morning running, and that's how I get to 10,000. I work out with a trainer 2 days a week, I run 3 days a week, and I do a walk 2 days a week. And I think Healthy Team, Healthy You really helped me get that discipline.